Have you ever wondered how ordinary people are suddenly becoming millionaires without degrees, connections, or even tech skills? Meet Sarah, a 24-year-old college dropout who made $500,000 in 6 months by using AI to automate boring tasks for businesses. Or David, a teacher turned AI consultant, now earning $30,000 a month, selling ChatGPT prompts. What do they know that you don't? A spoiler, it's not about being a genius today. It'll expose how anyone, yes, even you, can tap into the AI gold rush and build wealth in 2024. Stay till the end, because this could be your ticket to escaping the 9-to-5 grind forever. Segment 1. The AI revolution is here, and it's making millionaires. The old rules of wealth are dead. AI is growing faster than the internet did in the 90s. Companies are paying top dollar for AI solutions. If you've watched my video, 5 AI Tools to Quit Your Job in 2024, you know AI isn't just a trend, it's a wealth machine. Examples include AI influencers like Ali Sage, who monetize AI tutorials, no-code AI apps like Bubble, where users made $200,000, automating Instagram ads, and freelancers on Fiverr, charging $500 per project for AI-generated content. But here's the craziest part. You don't need to be a tech wizard to profit. Let's break down the lazy genius strategies these AI millionaires use. Segment: the 3 secrets of AI millionaires. First, solve boring problems. Fast AI thrives on automating repetitive tasks. Jasper AI, a tool that writes marketing copy, hit $80 million a year by solving writer's block. Find a niche like resumes or social media captions and sell AI solutions. I've already shared 10 niches in my AI side hustles video. Second, sell shovels in the AI gold rush. Create AI templates like ChatGPT prompts for real estate agents and sell them on Gumroad. Profit margins are 90%. Third, leverage AI plus existing platforms. In my upcoming book, The Art of Saving, I reveal how combining AI with YouTube or Shopify can 10x your income. And guess what? It's 70% done. Stay tuned. A TikToker used AI voiceovers to grow to 1 million followers in 3 months, now earning $10,000 a month from affiliate marketing. Segment 3. How you can start today. No experience needed. Step 1. Pick a tool like ChatGPT or MidJourney and master one skill. Step 2. Use AI to create products fast like ebooks, SEO content, or custom bots. Step 3. Sell to hungry audiences on Upwork, Fiverr, or Twitter. Check the description for my free AI starter pack tools and tutorials to skip the learning curve. CTA, if you're ready to join the AI Millionaire Club, smash that like button and comment AI Payday below. Want more? Subscribe to Saving Secrets by Ismail for weekly AI wealth hacks. Share this video with someone stuck in a 9-to-5. Watch next my viral video, How I Made $10,000 a Month with ChatGPT, link in description. And don't forget my book, The Art of Saving, drops soon, and the AI chapter alone is worth $1 million. Until next time, remember, the future belongs to those who use AI, not just study it. See you in the next video.